Alright, so in this video I'm going to talk about this sheet, the ICANN statement sheet a little bit, feature maybe I didn't talk about, and then how to use IXL. Months, and I was like, oh, there's probably a better way. Number one, if you have your screener and you have that video, which I mean I've done those things, you would fill out here. So this blue part is for the Unit 3 screener. Right? I see some of you filling it out. If you're looking at the pre-assessment, that's the green one. Okay, so that's not going to line up. So the pre-assessment, which I've asked you to look at this week, is this green area. So what do I want to show you? If you are just needing to practice, if you're like, I looked at that video, I think I get it, I think I understand, I just need to practice. Over here, there's a link, okay? It says Unit 3 Pre-Assessment. So if I click on this link, take me to the Math Practice page. And so, number one, I should know what sections or questions that are the ones that I need to practice. Then I go over here, oh man, this is my practice sheet. The section or the question number. So again, section 1 is question 1. And it has all of the different things that we can run on IXL. I want to talk real quick about IXL. The best way to use this stuff at some level is to do something called interleaving. Okay, interleaving is a very fancy word, and it's one of the best ways to practice. So what do I mean by that? Interleaving means I'm not practicing the same thing. Okay, I'm switching between things. Okay, so maybe what I want to do is maybe I'm working on adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, so I'm going to click on one of these. I'm going to right click it. Or no, yeah, I'm going to click it. Sorry. And then go, oh man, I mean this is slow. What's going on here? Alright, so I clicked on add, I'm going to click on subtract decimals. So I'm going to go back and forth from adding and subtracting, and I think I'm going to do one more. Maybe I didn't understand expanded form. I'm going to do this one, understanding decimals in, no wait, expanded form. Alright, so now I'm going to practice one, okay? So here, looking at, I'm going to be doing my own work on my camera here, so maybe I can switch things. So I see 4 tenths plus 8 tenths, okay? Alright, so maybe I'm going to do, maybe give and take here. So I can change this, this is close to 1, right? So I'm going to take 2 tenths away from here, give it here to change it to 2 tenths plus 1. So that's going to give me 1 2/10. Okay. So now I'm going to see if I'm right. 1 2/10, and I'm going to submit. Hey, okay, I did it. So now I'm not going to do another one. I'm going to go to my next one. So now I'm doing subtraction. So this looks pretty well set up. I just need to, looks like pretty simple calculations. So let's see how that goes. Epa! And now I'm going to go to my next one. So I have 3 different windows open. In this one, oops, let me move my thingamabobber here. Oops. And then, hold on a second. Here it says find the standard decimal form of this. Man, I don't love that they don't have, oh, they do it different. Alright, so one thing that to be aware of is, here, let's go back to my camera. Make it bigger? Whoa, did that work? Oh, that was cool. Alright, so if you've seen my videos, I say like if I have this number here, okay, this is in expanded form 7 times 1/10. Okay, what they're doing is 7 times 0.1. Well, is that different? No, because 1/10 equals 1/10. They're the same. Okay, those are the same. So we can do it either way. Okay, and that's actually pretty good to know. So then the hundredths, if this was here, like this number, so this would be added to 2 times 1 over 100, or probably in IXL land, 2 times 0.01 or 100. Okay, because again, 1 over 100 is the same as 0.01. All right, let's go back. All right, so I have 7 times 1, so that's 7, plus 8 times, so that's 8 tenths. So 7.8, 7 and 8 tenths. Let's see if I'm right. Yep. All right, so now I'm going to go back to it adding. And I'm going to go try, I'm going to do this again. So this is called leaving, and it's a really good way to practice. It's the best way to practice. Now, The other thing that you need to keep aware of is if you get stuck, okay? So there's one thing to persevere. There's one thing to go, okay, I get this one right, I get this one right, then I get this one wrong. What I do wrong? Okay, I get this one right, I get this one right, I get this one right, I get this one wrong. Okay, what did I do there? So if you notice that you make mistakes sometimes, okay, but you just need to there's small mistakes and stuff, that's fine. That's called perseverance. So that's good to work through. However, if you notice that you get it wrong, you get it wrong, you get it wrong, okay, like 3 in a row, you're going to need to stop and you need to ask me for help. Because what that tells me and what that should tell you is that you have a misunderstanding about something. And so I would say that's a good rule to live by is 3 in a row, stop practicing that skill, and then email me, message me, give screenshots, tell me what you're doing. I can look on your iExcel to see what you did wrong. Okay, so I can help you out. All right, does that make sense? Is that cool with everybody? Again, this is called interleaving, the best form of practice you can do forever. Like this is like when I would imagine the school will have iExcel for a long time. So a great way to use the internet to our advantage. All right, I think is there anything else I want to say about iExcel? I talked about interleaving, and I talked about the 3 strikes and call me. Well, don't call me, but tell me. I think that's it. All right. Choose. That's what they say in Germany. Choose. It's kind of like ciao.